erasing
And
it.
again, painting this truck. It's gonna be pretty cool.
Yep.
Great job, buddy.
Now that's all done.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna do that.
Okay. Put your brush in the water.
Wait, what's the inside gonna be again?
I think you said blue.
Yeah, blue. Doing the inside.
Okay. Maybe if you do it through the back window, be the best.
No.
You can reach better. Oh, it's only a little bit. Maybe the front window.
Yep. Blues. Mama, I wish we could get a little person to put in this.
Well, you can keep an eye out for a little person.
Hey, Mom. How do you pick which color are wheels?
Black. But then the middle is silver. Okay. Check back for our next video to see his finished truck.